So le common factor yethu lengu-2 kune common factor lengu-2 ku-202. So kule skipper i-common factor lapho. I-common factor yethu taba ngu-2. Uyathi kuthi from the previous video ukuthi skipper maskipper common factor kutokwendekani. Toba ngu-200 divided by 2 kube ngu-100 kube ngu-2x squared divided by 2 kube ngu-x squared. From there sitaba na 2 sivule ama brackets la 2 plus minus because lawa sama perfect square 100 100 sicala remember sithi sicala ngale 1 le positive 100 and 100 x squared taba ngibani taba ngu-x kube ngu-x and then from there ucedzile factorize le yebo akusinzwe lelikhona ukuthi ingaze kuhlule kuyenda no just that kumele wathi ukuthi wendani every time ngicela uqale ngokuthi ke ucheck ukuthi ke ayisiyo yini utini common factor into icala lo ichecka kuma factorizer i common factor every time ne good asiyevana ngiyathemba nje ukuthi siyevana futhi ngiya understand so asibuke this one how many terms do we have here 2 terms you can try it and then ubone ukuthi sizawuthola answer lefana kwayo x minus y all squared is 1 term right x minus 1 all squared is 1 term because of they are in brackets and there is an exponent here it's just 1 term guys if bekudele exponent ya 2 bekungeke kube 1 term but because kuna exponent ya 2 noma 3 kube kuna 3 4 5 6 7 exponent bekungeke kube 1 term but because kuna exponent ya 2 kusho ukuthi is 1 term this one right so if this is 1 term and there's a difference and the exponent yalela is even kusho ukuthi this is a difference of 2 squares so sizoyisebenza kanjani soyenda kanje sibhalani ama sign ethu lahlukene plus sibhala plus sabhala minus masichaza kubhala plus na minus square root salena x minus y all squared divide nga2 kusalani kusala x minus y exponent 1 utobhalani x minus y wabhalani x minus y lokubhala ngala ukubhala nangalana and then sinani y exponent 4 y exponent 4 divide by 2 kulengana nani y exponent 2 and then lana sibhalani y exponent 2 y exponent 2 then ucedzile kwendani factorize because mawungathi try add something la kude ma like terms because lena y exponent 2 lena it's in y so these two are not like terms ungabe confused from there so guys these are the kind of question lokuthi utawakhanza in most cases so ungabe confused mageta you will just know ukuthi wenda kanjani see you on the next video guys please subscribe to my YouTube channel